Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Flex to find blocks and get paid. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Flex app on your smartphone. Ensure you're logged into your Amazon Flex account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the schedule button and tap on it. Select find blocks. You'll see a list of available delivery blocks. Choose a block that fits your schedule. Review the block details carefully. Make sure you understand the pay rate and delivery requirements. If everything looks good, tap Accept Block. Once accepted, a confirmation screen will appear. Take a moment to review the confirmation. Return to the main dashboard to find further details about your new block. To optimize your chances of finding blocks, adjust your availability. Set your schedule to provide maximum flexibility. Consider testing different hours and locations. Keep the app open during peak block availability times. Enable notifications in the app settings to receive alerts for new blocks. Monitor your email for updates and additional opportunities. Check back frequently, as new blocks can become available at any time. Once you complete a block, return to the app to log your hours. Confirm payment details after the block is completed. Ensure you're familiar with the pay schedule. Review your earnings in the earnings section of the app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Amazon Flex help section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.